Hi everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a haul. This is just like a smaller haul, but I still want to share with you all of my goodies, so let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to share is the mystery kit from Petit paper. So if you don't want to see what's in this, just skip this portion of the video. So first off, this packaging is adorable, and I tried to tie it again, but I don't know if I did an amazing job. But this is the journaling card. It says New Beginnings, and it has a little bow. It's so beautiful. And then you get some extras as well, which extras are always fun. So this is the sticker extra that has some functional stickers and an extra box. And then also these sticky notes, which are adorable. I love how big they are. They're a lot bigger than the normal size, so I'm happy about that. And here is the kit, which is so beautiful. I want to use this soon. I love it. So here's the extra sheet that has some deco. I always do this thinking that everything's foiled, but it's not. So I still do it. So this is the deco sheet that has some banners and bows and florals. And then this is the kit. It's so beautiful. I love the colors. And I always get her matte paper, and I really like her matte too. And then you have your weekly tracker, your habit tracker, your bow washi, or like your strip washi, and then your thinner washi and your thicker bottom washi. And then your heart checklists, and it has a little glitter rim that's ombre, so that's super unique and really adorable. And then you have your headers and some patterned headers and glitter headers. And then little things and half boxes with the scallop and confetti, which I adore. And then your last sheet, right? Your last sheet, you have your heart checklists, flags, little smaller flags, horizontal flags, icons, 2 paydays, 2 bill dues, and 6 appointment labels in your weekend banner, which I may have already said. But that is the mystery kit, and Vanessa, the owner, paints and creates all of these by hand. So all of her kits are so unique to her shop, and you cannot find them anywhere. So that's why another reason I love her stuff, because it's just so different and unique. So that's everything from Petit paper. Next, I have a couple orders from Sadie Stickers. This is like 3 orders. I have another one in transit, but I did want to film this video. And then I also got 3 sticker albums, but they're already in use. I couldn't wait. Are you kidding me? So I have a couple $2 Tuesdays. I believe these were 2 different $2 Tuesdays. So let me just take all these out. Okay, let me start with here. Okay, so this is my freebie that you can get if you put my name in the notes. Okay, this is the freebie you can get if you put my name in the notes to seller. It's just white headers with gold foiled bows, and then I have a coupon code, which is Amanda20. So that is my freebie. And then this is just a repurchase, a functional sheet, just white half boxes with silver foiling. I love these. They're some of my favorites, and I'm happy I was able to pick up another sheet. I want to get these in gold and rose gold because I use these, especially because they're white. They go with everything. So now on to her $2 Tuesday. These are some bow dividers, but instead of having the bow in the center like she usually has, she has them on either side. So I love that. So I have that in gold, silver, and rose gold. And if you are a hollow foiled lover or want to try to get into her into hollow foil, she does now offer hollow foil as a permanent foil color in her shop. So on $2 Tuesdays, you can get any of her stickers in hollow if you wish. And then these are, again, another variation of a bow divider, but instead you have like 5 bows. You could use this as a header, I guess, too. So I think that's really cute. So I have that in gold, silver, and rose gold. And then these are quarter boxes, and they have the little line with a bow through them. So I think that's really cute. And I just have it in the white color with the rose gold foiling. So each of these sheets were $2. And then I have the silver and the gold. And then I got the gray color, so it's the same exact sticker, just in the gray color. So gold, silver, and rose gold. And then these are just tabs. I had the white one with the rose gold, but I already have it in my planner. So you can use these on your Hobonichi weeks, in your B6 TN, or any other TN or rings. So you just fold it over and you have a little tab. So you get 9. So they're like that. So I have the white and the rose gold already on my B6 rings. So, but this is her blush color with the gold foil. So yes, that is everything from Sadie's Stickers. Don't forget to use my code and put my name in the notes to get my freebie. Next is a Paper Muse Crafts. I love this kit and I've been eyeing it for a long time, and I finally bit the bullet and picked it up. I just love her kits. So this is the freebie. It just has tons of cute little characters and doodles, which I love. The little piggy bank. I can use a little piggy bank that said no spend. That's adorable. So this kit is called Chic, and it has rose gold foiling, so it's beautiful. I think this would be really pretty for Mother's Day, like week/weekend. So I might use it for that, but I just think it's so, so pretty. So you have 9 full boxes, and the quote box says stay classy. And then you have your bottom washi, some bow washi, and then headers and patterned headers, and then some sidebar headers and arrows. And then some quarter boxes, half boxes, bow checklist, weekly tracker, and some washi strips, but these are thicker. But those are foiled, and then deco and some icons and a habit tracker. And I love the little accents she puts in foil on her kits. So that is everything from Paper Muse Crafts, and I believe this kit is still in her shop. Next, I got my first PR order from TulleandTwineCo. I'm so excited to show you because that means I can finally put everything in my planner, because this has been I've been hoarding it so I could show it. So before I begin, I want to show you my journaling card. So I'm a new PR girl for her. And if you put my name in the notes at checkout, you can get my little journaling card. It has a gold foiled bow, and then it says dream big, work hard, make it happen, which I think is adorable. I just love that quote. It is so versatile, and the color, it's such a beautiful pink, and I love the gold. So she threw in an extra for me, so thank you, Carice. So you can put my name in the notes to receive this one. And then if you like this one, I love this one. I think it's so, so pretty. It has some gold stars and eyelashes that say dream. This is Kristen's from Kristen's Planner, so you can put Kristen in the notes if you want to get her journaling card. So those are our 2 journaling cards, which I adore. So I have the die cuts and the dashboards for the Chloe collection. So I'll go through those. There is a bow die cut. I don't know why I'm not gonna pick them up. I might as well just do what I usually do. So there's a bow die cut, a little coffee mug, which I love this, no pun intended. But I think this would be really pretty for spring, obviously, and for Valentine's Day. And then a pillow with eyelashes, a little bear that says Dior, a bow that has some marble and pink, and then a little faux washi card. See, I do that like it has foil. It says Planner Girl. And then these are the dashboards. She has 2 different sets. So she has like your regular set and then your mini set. So the mini only comes with 4, and then the jumbo / norm regular comes with 8. So I have the bigger bundle here, and this is all in B6 rings. So here it says Amanda. I love her outfit. And then the girl has blonde hair. She does have different variations. And then some vinyl gold here, or some gold vinyl. And then this is the next journaling card. I cannot speak today. Has some florals, and then shoes with Chanel and Dior, books. And then this journaling card says all things pretty in pink. Or not journaling card, I guess dashboard. And then this says girl boss with a planner and some flowers. And this one has tons of little flowers as well, which I adore. And then I love, 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 love this one with the hearts. I love the placement of the hearts. It's so unique. With that mug. And then a plain pink dashboard. that's similar to my journaling card. Just a lot bigger of a bow and not a quote, but I really like this one. And then this one has tons of pens, which I think is so, so cute, the little bow pen. So those are all the dashboards from the Chloe collection. And she's coming out with new releases on Friday. So the next new release she will have is April 26th. But of course you can still, her shop is still open, so you can still make a purchase and shop her dashboards, and she just came out with dividers. So super excited about that. So that is everything from TulleandTwineCo. Next, I have an order from Simply Watercolor Co. I already used most of this. I had a kit, but I did do a plan with me, so you can't get mad. That was my latest plan with me. So I have a couple or two Simply Foiled Tuesdays. So I will just take everything out. So for this first one, she had some overlays. So these are full box overlays with some bows, which are so cute. Look at that, like bow confetti. So there's gold, rose gold, and silver. And then I also got the bow washi. So you have the more uniform one and the more scattered one in gold, silver, and rose gold. So pretty. And then this was another Simply Foiled Tuesday. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I have a coupon code to her shop as well, which is Amanda15. So you can save 15%. And then these are, this like rose gold is more of like a pink rose gold versus this rose gold. So I wonder if she's changing her rose gold or this was, oh, I think this was like a rose gold pink. Because I remember the listing was a little, like it didn't say rose gold, so I'll have to double check. But these are header overlays. I love these headers. I think they're so cute. So I have like the rose gold color in the headers and then gold and silver. So these are just clear and you can layer them over a glitter header or anything you wish. So those are from Simply Watercolor Co. Simply Foiled Tuesday, and then she added a couple extras. So I have some bows and then eyelashes in rose gold, and these are in rose gold as well. And then some bow icons, which are so, so cute, in gold. And then these little, I don't know if this is for the Hobonichi or what, but I could definitely put a little time in there if I have an appointment. I want to put like 8:30 or something. I can put that there. And then these are in rose gold as well. So that is everything from Simply Watercolor Co. My next order I want to share is from Two Little Bees. She just released foiled kits. Oh my goodness. So I got this one because it was beautiful and it had light gold foil, and I was like, yes, girl. So I had to get it. So this is the freebie. It just some extra functional stickers and flags, and then this is the kit, and the freebie does match the kit, which is really nice. So this kit is called, I believe, Bloom or Live Life in Full Bloom, something of that sort. But tons of succulents and beautiful florals and butterflies. And like I said, light gold foil. So I'm obsessed. So you have your 9 full boxes and then 3 labels down there with some bows. And then you have some arrows with extra bows because I love my bows. Then you have your bottom washi. Oh my goodness. I'm just like, I could do this all day. This is so beautiful. So you have your bow washi and then your bottom washi that you could layer or separate, doesn't matter. Today headers, to do headers, and then bow headers. And the thing is, this is like perfectly foiled, like perfect. And then a weekly tracker, a habit tracker, some bow checklists, a little clipboard, a little washi strip with a little Shop Villa Beautiful inspired pen. That's adorable. A washi strip, a 3 bow checklist, half boxes, patterned half boxes, and then some solid half boxes and third boxes, I think they're called. So super adorable. Maria, if you're watching this is an amazing, beautiful kit. Please, please, please come out with more foiled kits. I need all of them. So that is everything from Two Little Bees. And then the last thing I want to share is a package I received from Tobie of Crafts by Tobie. She surprised me with this Happy Meal, and I'm so excited. I think it's all so beautiful. So the first thing that she included was this dashboard, and she's so sweet. I asked her if she would ever make me one, and she threw it in. So she's so sweet. This is for the B6 ring. She does sell this in her shop. It's just a simple, really nice paper that I'm going to use immediately, but it has all the cute bows. And then this is a die cut with her pens, which I love. So there is that. And then she also threw in these sticky notes, which are adorable. They're gold foiled, and they have some marble and bows on them. I love that outline too. So that's so beautiful. And then a die cut that says Hobo Stash with some hollow foil, and then like some Hobonichi sticker sheets on the back. And then this is also like a little Hobonichi sampler, but I don't have a Hobonichi. I didn't, because it sounded like, I don't have a hobo, because you know, like those hobos on the side of the street. Okay, never mind. But I think I would use this in, yeah. So these stickers are the same width of an Erin Condren, so I can still use these. So like this says you can, which is so cute, and then a 3-bow checklist, a full box, 3 hearts, some circles, which, oh yes, I always see people layering these with icons, and I want these, so I'm so happy that this little sheet came with it. Thank you, Tobie. And then a little half box / third box, I'm not 100% sure. So that's adorable. And then lastly, she added some of her new releases that came out last Friday. So these are some foiled stickers that have the Hobonichi like sticker pouch that Calligraphy by Lindsay came out with, and then the Hobonichi. So I thought I could use these still to mark planning and different things, because I have a planner and I have a pencil pouch. So boom. Yep, I'm excited. So that's in rose gold, and then these adorable pens. And she drew these, so I love those. Those are adorable. And then some sticky notes with gold foiling and the pink watercolor. And then these are in gold or light gold. So this is more of a light gold. This is between a light gold and a gold. So you have the same stickers. You have the Hobonichi, the pens, and the sticky notes in like a gold, light gold, which is so pretty. So yeah, those are available in her shop. So thank you, Tobie. You are so sweet for including those. I'm so thankful. So definitely go check that out. So that is everything from Crafts by Tobie. Everyone, that is my short little haul. I didn't realize, because my little Happy Mail thing was full, but it's okay. So I'm sorry this is a little smaller, but I hope you all enjoyed that. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, My Life Stuck on Paper, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.